So it's really quiet here today. Both dogs are at the groomer getting their hair cut. And I was kind of brainstorming for the soap of the month for June. And I think I'm gonna go with like a small town parade or small town carnival or something like that. So I'm just kind of trying to figure out like the scent and the colors, and then I'm gonna make the soap. And I also bought a bunch of stuff from Amazon, so I'm kind of just gonna do like an unboxing and maybe I'll try on a few things or something. But anyway, that's what I'm doing today, and it's so weird not having the dogs around. I hate it when they go to the groomer because it's just like they're not here. It's really weird. But anyway, that's what I'm doing. So these are the 2 boxes that arrived from Amazon, and I think there's supposed to be a 3rd box, but this is all I've got today, so we will see. These are all the things I ordered from Amazon. I got a bunch of dresses and like accessory things, so I'm really excited to see how these fit because I bought some shorts last summer from Amazon and I had to get extra large or something like that because I'm not that usually I don't wear an extra large, but the sizing is kind of weird because a lot of the things come from China. So anyway, I'm just gonna show you what I got, and hopefully at least one of these fits so I can wear it this weekend. So I got this one. And then I got this set of hair bands, or headbands, whatever you call them. And then these. So now that my hair is getting a little bit longer, I think I could maybe wear a headband and it wouldn't look stupid. So anyway, I'm going to try these on and maybe I will video it. I'm not sure. We'll have to see. This is the first one. And I got this one in a medium because a lot of people said that this ran kind of smaller, or it ran big, so like get size down. Personally, I think I would have rather had a large. It's a little bit, like, it seems a little bit small. But, I don't know, I don't think it's that bad. It's okay. Okay, this one is an extra large, and it fits more like how I like clothing to fit, not quite so tight, and the arms fit better. Definitely gonna keep this one. I think it's nice for summer, like just nice dress to pull on. I don't really like this one. The fabric is like really thin and it clings to all the wrong places, and the waist is like down here. I don't know if you can see that, but like for me, I would rather have a waist like up here instead of right there. It's kind of like right across the stomach area, and it like clings to everything. Yeah, I'm not crazy about this one. I do not like this dress either. So this is an extra large, and again, I think these 2 are from the same seller, but this just looks like something. I don't like this dress. It's like, it's ugly. Bad dress. Return this one and get a smaller size because it's really big. It's like very large, but it has pockets, so that's a thing. The reason that I like got bigger sizes is because it was going off the bust size, and apparently that was not right. So because yeah, this is like, if I wanted to hide a watermelon, it would work. So anyway, yeah, I will probably get, I like this dress a lot. The fabric is really nice and thick. It's like a nice, it's really comfortable. It's like a t-shirt material, but I think a large would fit better than an extra large. So those are my dresses. I'm gonna keep 2, return 3, maybe I don't know. I like the blue one. That was my favorite. So anyway, those are the things I got. And then the headbands, I'd actually have to do my hair to show you those, and that's not gonna happen. I was gonna make soap, but then I got distracted and I made lunch instead. So this is some kind of fish. I can't remember. It's like blackened fish, which I hate cooking fish. It always sticks to my pan. But anyway, I made fish and rice, pineapple, and green beans, and then I put some lime over everything. So that's what I'm gonna eat for lunch, and then hopefully I will make some soap. Hello! It is Saturday, and we are making some crafts, and then we're gonna go to a little party this afternoon. So I'll just show you what we're making. So we are making a unicorn box, and Diana is cutting it out.
It's horrible.
No, you're doing good. Just have to do the unicorns. And then when you get done, it looks like this. And it says thank you. It looks really cute. I think this would be nice to put like a little soap in it. Do you think that'd be cute?
Yeah.
Like a tiny piece of tiny soap. It's really small. Yeah, a sample. It's very small. And then this is going on over here. Are you okay? Okay.
We're doing.
And this is the salad making.
Yes. And Camila says that they're going to have a sorpresa because look at here. Underneath.
A surprise.
Yeah, underneath is the chilies and tomatoes and black olives. But there's underneath so that the salad won't
And this
get
is
all.
Olive Garden salad.
Yeah. Just
And then there'll be croutons.
Okay. Well, I think you need to spread those out a little bit more, honey. No, don't pat it. Just spread them out.
What's Camila's nickname?
The destroyer. Okay, honey. Yeah.
She doesn't look too sad about that.
That's okay. Now I think you need to go get cleaned up.
This is us with our dresses on.
Ow! Wait. Okay.
And Diana has a pretty headband.
Where do you get those from?
Amazon.
Amazon.
Everything's from Amazon.
Okay.
We are on our way to go to the party, and Camila's leaving. So we are gonna go to the party, and we're all dressed up. Oh.
Put whatever. Another a plastic pot inside that.
Hold up your
Just a
LOL.
different-
Show me what you're gonna get.
Wait.
Okay, that's what you're gonna get?
Yeah.
Why do you like it?
You have toys, a surprise.
There's a surprise in there?
Yeah.
How many surprises in there?
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 surprise.
Kind of like
7.
Cracker Jacks? Is that what it is?
I don't know.
Puppy is blue. Here.
Are you excited for it?
Yeah.
Well, I'm excited for the unicorn mask.
Yeah, me too.
It's a big fork. Let me just picture a big fork. Okay, let's go. What are you carrying?
You can stay with us. She said right in. Yeah.
Camila, what are you carrying?
More the merrier.
Little paper. What's it say? Can't read it.
I'm going to take this off. And
Oh.
Ow.
I'm kind of crying. I think
What
there's
is
like
it?
a magnifying glass thing
Oh.
you might get.
Okay.
those have.
Grab a magnifying thingy.
Yay!
Hey, give me it.
Right.
Give me it. Oh, it's red. It's kitties. Take this out.
Drama queen.
Ow.
Says everything.
So basically, you're going your toddler to get your book. It's like a toddler box.
Ooh, look at this shoe. What is it?
This is so much fun. Hold up, let's see if you can read it. No, it's something code. What is it?
Oh, shoe.
Where's the code? You can't see it. You can't see it. Oh, it doesn't
No shoes next. Wow, thanks. Open this. Look at the video. This suck. Open it. Wow, look this one.
Oh, wait, hold on. Put your hand away. Hold like this. Go. Good.
Okay.
For like half a second.
Here.
Wait.
Here.
Okay. Hiya.
What is this?
A lot of trash, which we know that already. Lots of trash. Okay. You got a little doll. 2 shoes, I'm guessing. 4 shoes.
Does LOL stand for laugh out loud?
It doesn't really matter. You got a little thingy that makes everything red.
You can find something.
You got a cat litter box.
A real cat litter
No,
box?
it's this thing. I think that's part of the prize because it's a cat with some sand.
It's called
You know what I
unicorn.
think the LOL does stand for laugh out loud.
They laugh all the way to the
All the way
bank.
to the bank.
What is this?
They are laughing out loud.
Is this just garbage?
Unipony. It's called Unipony.
Is this garbage?
Yeah.
Hey,
Okay.
what's-
This isn't really garbage. You can find the kitty.
Okay. This.
It's fancy.
This. Okay, so that's all we got.
Yeah.
Oh, but you could take a picture with your camera and send it to your mom. I think that would be funny.
Tickle.
Okay, ready? Gross. Okay, I don't know if I can get in there. Ew, that is so gross.
Weird.
I know. It's hard, isn't it? It's hard to get it to like peel off. Hold on, I can't. Ouch.
Yeah.
Plan B. Is it gone?
Yep.
Okay.
Cheater.
Cheater right here. The number 1 cheater.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9.
Okay, good job.
Okay, that was fair.
She's learning not to cheat.
I don't want to move anymore.
What's it say? It says, move a pawn from your start area or move forward 4. You can just move forward 4.
Oh, that would work.
No, please.
2, 3, 4.
Yay!
Here's home
Your
side.
turn.
Okay. Okay, sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry, so I don't have to say
You
sorry
can
to someone?
say move a pawn from your start area to take the place, but you don't have anybody in your start area, so you just have to move it forward 4.
4.
Next, my
1, 2,
turn.
3, 4. Okay,
What does it say? 8? Move forward 8.
where, blue.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8.
it's over, but get you anything else? No, we're done. Okay. Do you need more water, Pop?
Hey, no!
What's wrong?
Stop!
You were singing such a cute song. Sing your LOL song again.
No!
Okay, fine.
Sing the song that you sang for the music program.
No, it's Carmela.
Why not?
Carmela, I watching the video.
Sing the song.
It sounded really
Guys, so it's Sunday evening. I'm just making some soap tonight, and then I'm also wrapping up some orders. And I just thought I would show you the orders that I'm wrapping up, and then I'm also going to show you the soap that I'm making. So here are the orders. So this order is for an Aloha soap, and that is the soap that I'm sending. So this is what it looks like. And this is the little sample that I'm sending along. It's a lavender soap sample. And then the next order is for 2 Heart of Gold bath bombs. So they look like this. Heart of Gold has gold glitter in them. They have gold glitter in them. Whoops, there you go. And this is the sample that I'm sending along. It's a green gem. And the last order is for a unicorn bath bomb. This is the one that has the necklace inside. So this is the unicorn rockstar bath bomb. Looks like that on top, that on the bottom, and that's what it says on the side, and that's the little unicorn rockstar. And then the sample that I'm sending along is an oatmeal milk and honey sample. And that's what it looks like. So I'm just gonna pack those up.